Louis is looking for a toilet. Louis is in a foreign city. He doesn't know this city. He is walking on a street with no shops. It is cold. He is cold. He is wearing a hat. Suddenly, he needs to go to the toilet. It is very urgent. He needs to find a toilet before he pees his pants. He has some coins in his pocket. He will need them. He looks around. He cannot see a public toilet. He can see a restaurant. Every restaurant has toilets. He goes to the door and tries to open it. It is closed.
Oh no. The restaurant opens in 10 minutes. I can't wait that long.
He looks around to find another restaurant. He cannot see one. He is panicking. He can see a park about 200 meters from him. There are trees and bushes in the park.
Maybe I can hide in the bushes.
He runs towards the park. His hat falls off. He runs back, picks up his hat, and keeps running towards the park. He arrives at the park. It is small, not bigger than a football field. He wants to find the right place. There are people everywhere. It's too bad. He looks around. Suddenly, he can see a sign at the end of the park. The sign says public toilets.
Yes, public toilets. I hope I get there before I pee my pants.
He runs towards the public toilets. He is holding his hat with his hands. The door is open. The cleaning woman, who also collects money from the people who use the toilets, wants some money from him.
Please pay 50 cents.
I will pay on the way out. I promise.
He runs into the first open cabin. He pulls down his pants and sits down on the toilet. He begins to pee. He breathes out.
One more minute, and I would have to pee in my hat.
On the way out, he pays the cleaning woman for using the toilet.